You do not try this at home without adult supervision. Hi guys, my name is Kanoe and I'm 5 years old. We're gonna be making pizza bread, pizza toast. So first let's get the bread out. 4 pieces. This is the kind of bread we need. Mama, you open it. Texas garlic toast. Oh, that is frozen. Ice cold frozen bread on my hands. Lay it out evenly on your pan. Now we're gonna put pizza sauce. Now we sprinkle cheese. I'm using mozzarella and Kobe cheese. And if you make a mess, you just take a towel or something. So now we put the pepperoni. This is going to be the yummiest cheese and this is going to be the goodest. So let's put lots of it if you want, or just 2. I'm just putting 2, I'm just kidding. 3. It's time for the oven and my mama gotta help me. So while it's gonna cook, I'm gonna put the food away. So while it's cooking, we can talk together or whatever we can and tell what your favorite color is. I got yellow bracelet, an orange bracelet, and a new Minnie Mouse pink watch. And my favorite color is blue and white, which is from the movie Frozen. Now let's see how it goes. That looks good, doesn't it? So now it's open. Mama will take it out. Do you like my new haircut Auntie Heather did? It's like Lily. We wait for it to cool and then we can eat. Doesn't it look good? Thanks for watching this video. See you next time. Bye!